Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this video is on the best stick welder. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing, and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, DEKOPRO MMA 160A Welder. Your metal melting sidekick, 160 amps of power, enough juice to weld steel, iron, or even your ex's heart. Advanced IGBT inverter tech. It's like a brainy robot controlling your sparks. Weld mild steel, stainless, cast iron. If it's metal, it's fair game. Certified by ETL, safer than your last online date. Anti-stick, hot start, stable arc, no more embarrassing welding fumbles. Weighs just 8.6 pounds, lighter than a bag of onions. Compact with a handle, carry it like your lunchbox but way cooler. Digital display, see your amps, not just guess and pray. Energy efficient, saves power, your wallet, and the planet. Closed loop feedback, keeps voltage steady like a Zen master. Weld anywhere, home, workshop, outdoors, even your cousin's garage. Works with rods from 116 to 532 inches. Size does matter. Perfect for pros, metalworkers, and DIYers who love shiny things. DEKOPRO MMA 160A, the welder that sparks joy and metal. Number 4, TOOLIOM 195A Stick Welder. Many think welding machines are hard to operate, but technology now makes welding easier and safer. I'm a certified welding instructor with 10+ years experience. I've seen beginners struggle with arc stability and safety. The TOOLIOM 195A Stick Welder solves these common issues. Dual voltage lets you weld anywhere, 110V or 220V. Its intelligent LCD panel is easy to read and operate. Adjustable hot start and arc force ensure smooth, easy strikes. Automatic anti-stick prevents electrode sticking for cleaner welds. VRD function reduces electric shock risk for added safety. Handles E6010, 6013, 7018 electrodes up to 532-inch rods. Use as sticker lift TIG welder for versatile jobs. I tested on carbon steel. Arc was stable, welds were strong. Beginners found the LCD and control simple and intuitive. For pros and DIYers, TOOLIOM 195A delivers reliable performance. Upgrade your welding experience. Try TOOLIOM 195A today. Number 3, meet the ARCCAPTAIN Stick Welder 200A of pure power. Large LED display, like a scoreboard for your welding wins. Synergic control matches current and voltage automatically. Magic? Nope, just smart tech. Weighs only 7.2 ohms, lighter than a chihuahua in a backpack. Carry it anywhere, garage, farm, or your secret DIY lair. Works perfectly with 6010, 6011, 6013, and 7-18 rods. Switch between stick and lift TIG modes. 2 tools, 1 machine. Adjust hot start and arc force for smoother welds. No drama, just results. Automatic anti-stick. Keeps electrodes from playing stick in the mud. TOV and ANSI certified. Tested tougher than your grandma's fruitcake. Overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, overheating protection. Safety first, sparks second. Efficient IGBT inverter guarantees stable, continuous arcing. Digital controls make settings easy, even with your helmet on. Ideal for pros, DIYers, and home repair heroes alike. Enjoy 2 years of quality service, because we weld relationships too. ARCCAPTAIN. Welding made smarter, lighter, and way more fun. Number 2, YESWELDER 135 amp MIG Welder. Think all welding machines are bulky and complicated? I'm a certified welding instructor with 15 years experience. Many struggle with heavy single-function welders that limit projects. Let me introduce the YESWELDER Flux 135 Pro 3-in-1 MIG Welder. Why this model? It combines MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding. You get flexibility for different metals and tasks in one unit. Its 135 amp output handles mild steel up to 2 to 5 thick. Perfect for both quick repairs and detailed fabrication work. The digital LED display gives you precise real-time control. Beginners love the synergic control. Auto voltage matches wire speed. Professionals appreciate adjustable hot start and arc force for stick welding. At only 11.4 lopses, it's easy to carry to any job site. I've tested it on multiple projects. Smooth arc, consistent results every time. It comes ready to weld with bonus flux core wire included. Prioritizing safety, it features overcurrent and overheat protection. Upgrade your welding game. Try the YESWELDER Flex 135 Pro today. Number 1. ARCCAPTAIN iControl ARC205 Pro Stick Welder. Want precise, powerful welding with easy control? Meet the ARCCAPTAIN ARC205 Pro, your upgraded welding partner. Perfect for workshops, job sites, or home metal repairs. APP control lets you adjust settings remotely, up to 10 meters. Monitor machine status, tweak parameters, and access FAQs instantly. Automatic current matching, just select rod or thickness and weld. Large LED display with imperial units, see data clearly, helmet on. Enhanced MCU and digital tech ensure a stable, consistent arc. Hot start, arc force, and anti-stick features for smoother welds. Switch easily between stick and lift TIG modes for versatility. Smart fan and advanced cooling system keep noise low, lifespan high. Multiple safety protections, VRD, overcurrent, overload, and more. Weighs just 8.2 pounds. Grab it by the handle or shoulder strap. Certified for safety and reliability, FCC, ANSI, and more. Upgrade your welding experience. Effortless, efficient, professional. Get your ARCCAPTAIN ARC205 Pro now. Weld smarter, not harder. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.